is a pretty sunshiny yellow upholstery or drapery fabric. This fabric does have a nice amount of drape to it, as you can see here. It does have this beautiful kind of damask stripe. I'll move it in here so you can see that a little bit better. It's very pretty. You know, these stripes do have a nice sheen to them. This would be beautiful used in a dining room. I just really love a satin kind of stripe in a dining room, and I really think this one would be beautiful. Now, that being said, you could totally use this for slip covers in your living room. You might use it for draperies, maybe a valance. It would be beautiful in a kitchen even. There's just a lot of places you could use this. An upholstered headboard, that would be beautiful. Yellow in a bedroom is always pretty, even if it's, you know, just the headboard and a few accents, with maybe some gray walls or just something like that would be very pretty. Now, the other great thing about this fabric is that it is kind of a wider stripe. Sometimes the really small stripes can get very busy looking in a room, as a wider stripe can still be a focal point, but I think sometimes it blends a little better. This fabric is 59 inches wide, and each of these large stripes are about 3.5 inches wide here. And let's get a measurement on the other. And the other stripe is about 1.5 inches here. So, you know, those are nice good sized stripes. Now, if you are kind of interested in this fabric, I'm just going to move it around a little more so you can see it does move nicely. Then I really suggest you order a swatch, and then you can look at it and feel it, get a good idea of what it is you'll be getting, and then you can order your yardage. Now, when you do buy your yardage, whether you get a swatch or not, keep in mind that anything over 3 yards is going to start to be discounted. So the more you buy with this fabric, the more you're going to save.